So guys, today we have upgraded our KTM Duke 250 Gen 3 with a touring setup. So we have installed the backrack, not installed actually, we have kept it. And also we have installed the saddle stay and crash guard, and also we have a hand guard setup now. The hand guard is basically from my old KTM Duke 250 Adventure, older version, so it fits good in this one, so I've kept it here. So you can see at both sides it fits well. And then you can see the Mototorque crash guard, which is a bigger crash guard compared to what the KTM default gives us. So it's a bit heavy also, and it has 2 sliders, which gives him good amount of protection. This is the Mototorque Thor crash guard, so the bigger one. So it's well fit, and it doesn't need any extra bolts or anything. And I will also put a small cushion here because sometimes my knee hits that part. So both sides have fitted a small sponge-like cushion. Apart from that, this is the Hyperrider saddle stay. It is powder coated, looks good and looks simple. Okay, so in the second part here we have to put a Allen key bolt and also a screw here. Then everything fits in the same as the handrail. So this is powder coated, very nice. So it also gives a little bit of protection to the indicator. Sometimes when somebody parks, you can get your indicator hit, and these are all LED indicators which can be costly, especially from KTM. So both sides we do the same thing, and this is how it looks. Next we have the Hyperrider Backrack. So I have not fitted it. I have fitted it earlier and I have removed it because it's a little heavy, first of all, and second thing is the parts are a little sharp. Okay, so if somebody pillion rider tries to get over there, and they might hit their leg or something. So I'll be putting this only during my touring times, and yeah, this also fits in both the. So the problem is the KTM default has some small Allen key bolts here, so we have to use a bigger one here to fit, else it can come out easily. We need to take care of that one. So the Hyperrider Backrack and saddle stay is purchased from Bangalore, and the Mototorque one is from Mangalore, one of the showroom. You can also get this one from online Mototorque sites. So this is how it finally looks. One more thing I need to tell about the saddle stay, that it's a minimal saddle stay and it doesn't remove the stylish design of the back of the Duke.